Lemon is used in everyday cooking, also can be consumed in the form of lemon juice or lemon water, as well. The consumption of lemon water, apart from its tarty flavor, can have enormous benefits for your health and can help you improve your health status a lot. Here are the 10 most important health benefits of drinking lemon water on a daily basis. But before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon, so you don't miss out on our new videos. 1. Weight loss. Lemon juice is known for its ability to break down fats quickly. When you combine this characteristic of lemon with the various benefits of water, you will result in losing those extra pounds much quicker and easier than you had initially imagined. 2. Skin care. If you want to see your skin glowing again, you should definitely start drinking some lemon water. Being an excellent antiseptic medicine, with the ability to rejuvenate your skin, it will work as an anti-aging component that can help you remove any wrinkles or blackheads from your face. 3. Blood pressure. Lemons have a great amount of potassium. That actually means that they can effectively control high blood pressure and make you more resistant to dizziness and nausea. 4. Dental care. Lemon water can help you get rid of unpleasant mouth smells, as well as make any toothache go away quickly and painlessly. 5. Stomach problems. Lemon water, particularly when hot water is used, may help you get rid of any digestive problems. Any symptoms of indigestion, like bloating, burning or even belching, are relieved immediately. It also helps your liver produce more bile, that the liver will then be able to digest food more quickly and break down lipids and fats. 6. Immune system. We all know that vitamin C is one of the most vital agents our body can use to prevent infections. Lemon water is full of this unique vitamin. This will help your immune system get stronger and fight unpleasant conditions, like colds and the flu. 7. Cancer. Lemon, apart from the high quantities of vitamin C, consists of another significant category of compounds, known as flavonoids, as well. These substances are known for their ability to fight cancerous cells and, most importantly, prevent multiple types of cancer. 8. Kidney stones. The amount of citric acid lemons consist of can really help you prevent the formation of those irritating little lumps, known as kidney stones. Citric acid increases the urine volume, as well as the urine pH, leading to a more difficult environment for kidney stone formation. 9. Anemia. When we don't get the sufficient amount of iron from our daily food intake, we usually suffer from iron deficiency anemia. Although lemons contain some iron, the main way they help you fight this condition is by improving the absorption of the iron you receive from your foods. Drinking hot lemon water can therefore help you improve the iron store in your body. 10. Eyesight. Both the citric acid and the vitamin C contained into a lemon water glass can help improve your eyesight and your ability to face certain conditions, including cataract and degeneration. Hope you liked the video. Please take a quick moment to subscribe and share this video.